21 years ago, I started a professional web design business where I traded time for money and often was unable to take a few weeks off to go hiking in New Zealand or spend time at the beach with my family. Today, I have the flexibility to go on vacation, go hiking, trail riding, or attend a video conference because I generate enough passive income from my YouTube channel. In this video, you'll learn the 5 ways I get paid by generating a passive income from my YouTube videos that doesn't require 1,000 subscribers or becoming a YouTube partner. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to get paid without having 1,000 subscribers on YouTube or being a member of the YouTube Partner Program. The beauty of promoting affiliate products is that you don't have to do the work, such as coming up with a product and creating the marketing materials. All you have to do is talk about the product in your video, then add an affiliate link in the description below your video. For example, in this video, I discussed the top 4 TubeBuddy tools I use to grow and manage my YouTube channel. I'll place a link in the description below so you can watch the video yourself. I highly recommend promoting a product that you already use in your business. For example, I use the TubeBuddy keyword research tool multiple times a week to optimize my videos, so I often place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below my video. If someone purchases TubeBuddy through my link, I get a 50% commission. As a result, I make thousands of dollars per year recommending TubeBuddy to my viewers. One of the easiest ways to promote affiliate products is to join the Amazon Associates program. Amazon pretty much sells anything. After you've signed up for the Amazon Associates program, go to the product linking page and enter your product in the keyword box. So if I enter GoPro 10, click Go. Now I've got the GoPro 10 Black at $449 and then just click link. Click text only, click short link. Here's my Amazon affiliate link to promote the GoPro 10. If the person continues to buy Amazon products within a 24-hour period, I also get a commission for those products. Here's a big tip for you when adding affiliate links in the description below your video. Include a disclaimer at the bottom of your description. It can say something like, some of the links above may be affiliate links from which I earn a small commission when you purchase from them. A brand deal or sponsored video is when a company approaches you or you approach the company about making a video that exposes their product to your audience. They pay you to make the video, and you can often include an affiliate link in the description so you get ongoing commissions as long as the video remains on your channel. Here's an email I received from a company to do a paid collaboration or brand deal. Hey Herman, the reason I'm writing to you today is that I closely follow your channel and believe that there's a golden opportunity for us to work together. Hence, we would love to sponsor a video or a series of videos on your channel. I usually get paid $500 to $1,000 to make a 5 to 10 minute sponsored video. You can get paid for several brand deals per month and make thousands of dollars. Here's a sponsored video I created for how to edit videos on YouTube for beginners. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. Another benefit of brand deals is that a company may send you a product for free in exchange for promoting their product on your YouTube channel. For example, I recently made this video for the best wireless microphone for camera, laptop, or phone. They sent me 2 of these wireless mics in exchange for making the video. Now I use this mic almost every day when I'm out and about because it's so easy to use and it just clips onto my shirt. If you want to make 100% commission, I highly recommend promoting your own courses and products. One of the easiest and fastest ways to make your own product is to create an ebook related to the content that you upload to YouTube. You can also use the ebook to generate leads by offering it as a free download in exchange for contact information. I'll talk about the main benefits of generating leads later in the video, so keep watching. For example, I have a YouTube traffic course called 2 Video Bootcamp that pays me 100% commissions every month as long as someone remains a member. If you want to check out the course, I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. If you have 225 members paying $37 per month, you'll have a $100,000 income per year. It all starts with 1 new member per day. If you're an expert in your niche, I highly recommend offering coaching services. For example, I offer a 1-hour personal coaching session for video creators that are stuck and want to grow their channels. It's insanity to keep doing the same things on your channel and expect different results, so it's better to get a YouTube expert to look at your channel and suggest different ways to grow your channel. If you want to book a personal coaching session with me, click the link in the description below this video. If you don't want to offer coaching, you can offer other services that you're good at, such as video editing or graphic design. All of these services that you offer enable you to get paid without having 1,000 subscribers or becoming a member of the YouTube Partner Program. Here's a bonus tip. Build an email list so you can recommend your products and services. Unlike the YouTube platform, which you're renting from YouTube, your email list is something that you own, So if your YouTube channel gets terminated, you still have your email list. To build your email list, offer a free download such as a free cheat sheet, ebook, e-course, in exchange for the contact information. Place a link to your free download in the description below your video and invite people in your video to click on the link. The beauty of having an email list is that you can promote your products and services anytime outside of YouTube. The bigger your list gets, the more money you'll make. Here's a hot tip for getting paid for making YouTube videos without 1,000 subscribers. Bundle multiple streams of income together so you don't rely on one income source. For example, you can promote affiliate programs, do brand deals, recommend your own products and services while building an email list. Let's look at the numbers to build a 100K per year business online. If you build an email list of 2,500 email subscribers and 10% of those paid subscribers spend $400 per year, you'll have a 100K per year business. Of course, those numbers are going to be fluid depending on your offer. After your channel reaches a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can become a YouTube partner. This means you can enable monetization for your channel and generate a passive income from displaying Adsense ads on your videos. Watch this video on the screen right now on how to increase YouTube ad revenue and 6 ways to make more money.